Hi, my name is Sienna, and today I'm going to show you how to clean broom corn, which is actually not a type of corn, it is sorghum. So I harvested these seed heads about a week ago and then dried them on some racks in the sun, and I clipped the tops so it's easy to work with. I have 3 colors here, and I have a tub. This one has a nice flat side here. I have a very cheap hairbrush and a plastic lid. One side is smoother, one side is more rough, and I tend to use the more rough side. So I'm just going to put the broom against this flat side and start to brush, and I'll also use this side of the brush against here to get more of the seed off. And I'm just rotating it around as I go. So with the brush, I was able to get most of it off. Now I'm going to go to the lid. Same thing, and from top to bottom, I'm just going to scrape. And that's gotten most of it off. Now I'm not even worried about getting every single little seed off because I'm making just really special little altar brooms, and I can either pick them off later, or it feels kind of special to maybe have a couple seeds left on them. So let's do one more. This one's a little bigger. Okay, most of it's off. We'll just switch to the lid. That was pretty quick. You can see when you grow your own, it can have these beautiful reds or blacks, and not only that, it's a really lucky crop. So even if you're only growing a few stalks, it's just very lucky to have in your garden. So I hope this helps, and have a great time growing your own broom.